Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. So for today's video, we're going to do a graduation look. Ayan. So here it is, using local products natin. So if you want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. By the way guys, if you're wondering kung saan ko nakuha yung aking top, this is from YesStyle, my favorite online shop. It's a Korean shop din, no, aside from Charis. I have a discount code if you want to avail or to shop online. It's iheartdotie para mayroon kayong additional na 10% discount. Speaking of graduation, congratulations pala sa lahat ng mga graduates for this year. And that includes this.
Ha!
Lower, babies. Lower. Yeah. This will graduate ng grade 6 and this will graduate ng grade 10. Hopefully. Sabay hopefully. So, congratulations everyone, and what can you say?
You first?
Okay. I'm like a child prodigy, except you remove the prodigy, you know? I'm gonna fail.
And you?
Shout out to all those senior high students that are at humanities and will go to humanities. I'm there.
So, thank you again for watching. I hope you all like this video. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And yeah, these two will also say goodbye.
Bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye! From our family to yours!
You'll be back.